What does $1.15, 5 million home in do by actually feel like? Let's go find out. No filters, no acting. Just a real walk through one of the most exclusive villas on the Palm. Hi everyone, I'm here and you're coming with me. We've got special permission to see every corner of this place. It's not just a house, it's like a private resort built for one family. The company that built it wins awards all over the world, and today we get to see why. Let's start right here at the front door, and I mean the door. Look at the size of this thing. It's over 4 meters tall. You don't just open it, you experience it. It swings open and instantly you see this. The ceiling so high it makes you feel small in the best way. This entrance isn't saying hello. It's saying welcome to another world. And that feeling, it doesn't go away. First stop, just off to the side, is the office. But forget any boring office you've seen. The walls here are covered in this soft, textured fabric that feels expensive. The desk isn't wood. It's a shiny, dark stone that looks like a black mirror. There's cool, interesting art on the shelves. This isn't where you check email. This is where you sign the big deals, where you make the important calls with a view that keeps you inspired. Now follow me around this corner. I want to show you something most people wouldn't even think about, the guest powder room. And I'm telling you, it's a showstopper. Every single piece of tile on this wall was handmade and brought here from Italy. Look at the colors, sandy beige, deep green, soft black. It feels like a luxury spa on the coast, not just a bathroom. Even the soap and lotions are from one of the most famous luxury brands in Paris. That's the detail here. Nothing is ordinary. Okay, are you ready for the main room? This is where it all comes together. Walk with me in here. The first thing you notice is there are no walls. I mean, they're there, but they're all glass from the floor to way up there. It makes the outside ocean and sky part of the room. The light is incredible all day long. Right in the middle, they built this stunning bar. The whole counter is one giant piece of white stone with these beautiful gray lines running through it. Imagine your friends are over. The sun is setting, the lights of Dubai are starting to twinkle, and you're right here, mixing drinks at your own personal bar. It sets the mood instantly, and look over here at this bookshelf wall. It's elegant, simple, filled with books and little sculptures. I was told just this wall, this one piece, cost more than a nice car. That's the level we're at. Now, let's talk about the kitchen and dining area. This is where you'd live. The kitchen is huge, with clean white cabinets that hide all the appliances. Everything is sleek and minimal. The dining table is a beautiful piece from a very high-end designer brand. Simple, elegant, perfect for big family dinners. But see this big, beautiful piece of art on the wall behind the table? It's made of metal and crystal, and it shimmers. It's a real piece of art, not just decoration, and it's hiding a secret. Give it a little push, and it opens. It's a secret door. Come through here. This is the second kitchen, the prep kitchen. This is where all the real cooking work happens, or where the staff would work if you have them. All the mess, the noise, the clutter stays back here, completely out of sight. So when you're entertaining guests in the main kitchen, everything stays clean and peaceful. It's a genius design. All right, the inside is amazing, but for a home like this, the real magic is outside. Follow me, step out here, just take a moment. This is the view you wake up to. This is the life you live. A massive infinity pool that looks like it spills right into the Arabian Gulf. The water is so blue. To your left, you can see the famous Atlantis Hotel and the newer, stunning Royal Atlantis. The scale is hard to even believe. This whole terrace is your own personal vacation spot. You've got these comfortable lounge beds for sunbathing. Over here is a big, cushioned seating area for everyone to hang out. They've got a built-in barbecue grill ready for a big cookout with friends. Imagine it, it's evening. You've got music playing softly from hidden speakers. The grill is going, the smell of food is in the air, your friends are laughing, and right there is one of the best sunsets on earth just for you. This isn't a holiday, this is a Tuesday, and it gets better. The pool isn't the end of your property. Look, these steps go right down to the sand. Every villa on this part of the Palm has its own private beach. This stretch of white sand and gentle waves is yours. No crowds, no reserving a spot. Your morning walk is here. Your midnight swim is here. You can go paddleboarding or just sit and listen to the waves anytime you want. It is the definition of freedom. So we've seen the outdoors, which is like a resort. Now let's go see the private bedrooms upstairs, which are like a world-class hotel. You can take the elegant staircase or, believe it, your own personal elevator. Let's take the stairs up. The first bedroom is all about light and space. Those same huge windows give you a panoramic view of the sea. The bed is huge and faces the view. The wardrobes are amazing. They don't just open, they pivot out smoothly, giving you access to all your clothes. It feels like a high-end boutique, and the bathroom, it's a spa. Big stone sinks, a huge mirror, and a walk-in rain shower with beautiful stone tiles on the wall. It's a place to relax and unwind, not just get ready. Now, every bedroom in this house has its own personality. The next one feels glamorous. The headboard on the bed is covered in shining crystals. The dressing area is separate, like its own little room with a big mirror and a seat. It feels exclusive, like you're getting ready for a big event. Another bedroom wraps you in the colors of the sea. The bedding, the pillows, the accents are all in shades of blue, green, and soft turquoise. With the ocean right outside your window, you feel completely connected to the water. It's so peaceful. The fourth bedroom is calm and neutral, soft grays and creams. It has maybe the biggest bathroom of them all, with double sinks and so much counter space. It's simple, spacious, and deeply relaxing. All of these rooms are suites, meaning each one has its own incredible bathroom and lots of closet space. Family or guests would never feel like they're just visiting. They'd feel like they're in their own luxury apartment. We've seen the living spaces, the outdoor paradise, and the private suites, but there's one more area that shows you the true spirit of Dubai. Let's head down. This is the garage, but calling it a garage is like calling the pool a puddle. Look at this space. The ceiling is lined with clean, modern LED lights. One wall is a shiny, polished black, and the other has this cool textured pattern. It's spotless and feels more like a museum or a showroom. And of course, what's a Dubai showroom without something incredible in it? Right in the center, parked and waiting, is a matte gray Mercedes G-Wagon. It's bold, it's powerful, and it just fits. This space isn't for storing junk. It's for displaying the machines that match this lifestyle. We've come full circle back to the heart of the home. As the sun starts to go down, painting the sky orange and pink over the water, you realize what this place is. This villa, named Villa Albero, sits on over 400 square feet of land. The house itself is 6,000 square feet of pure design. 4-bedroom suites, a beautiful office, that incredible kitchen, the secret prep room, the garage, and of course, that pool and private beach. It's not just a collection of expensive things. It's a creation. It's a place built for making memories, for living life in a way most people can only dream of. You're not just buying a view of the horizon, you're buying a place where you are part of that beautiful picture every single day. If you love seeing places that redefine what a home can be, you're in the right spot. Make sure to hit that like button. It really helps me bring you more tours like this. And subscribe to Winds of Thought, so you don't miss the next adventure into the world's most amazing spaces. Let me know in the comments below, if you could spend one day in this villa, what's the very first thing you would do? Would you dive into the pool, walk the private beach, or just relax on that terrace? Thank you so much for coming along on this tour with me. It was incredible to see it, and I'm glad I could show it to you. Until next time, take care.